Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, very short lang, I'm just going to share with you know an interesting update regarding my Dpet. So meron na silang staking program no, wherein you will earn Dpet or Bscs by staking either Bscs or Dpet token in their program. Okay, so let's start. Alright, so ito no, kakabasa ko lang ng kanilang medium. And this is very interesting. So here you can, if you have a Dpet token, you can stake it at the SCS station, or if you want to earn Dpet token, you may stake your BSCS token. Now, how much is one BSCS today? Okay, so according to CoinGecko, ayan, one BSCS is equivalent to 6.99 pesos. I guess it's not that much no compared to Dpet token. Masyado nang mahal yung Dpet token ngayon. Okay, so how can we get or how can we buy a BSCS token? Okay, so let's go to PancakeSwap. Ayan dito, no? You just have to connect your wallet. Try natin i-connect. Ayan, sa MetaMask. Okay, ayan, no, connected na tayo sa ating MetaMask wallet. So what we're going to do, you just have to go back to the Remedium and then copy this contract address of BSCS. Yan, no, copy nyo lang and then go to PancakeSwap, select a currency, just type it here or paste it here. Yan. Ayun, no? So import mo lang siya, then I understand, import. Okay, so you can choose no how much BSCS you want to stake. Let's say 50 BSCS. Okay, and then you just have to click swap, and then the swapping will start. Okay, ganun lang guys. That's how you buy BSCS token. And also, as you buy, you have to go back to your MetaMask account. Okay, i-add nyo rin si BSCS na token doon sa iyong MetaMask. You just have to go to your MetaMask wallet and then click nyo lang guys yung add token. Copy nyo ulit yung contract address of BSCS, paste nyo doon, and then add token, click nyo lang, and then that's it, no? Added na yung inyong BSCS token doon sa inyong BSC network, okay? And then when you swap, the amount of BSCS that you swapped with PNB will reflect on your MetaMask wallet. Alright, so ganun lang guys kasimple bumili ng BSCS. Okay, now let's go to their BSC station. Ito yung kanilang station wherein you can do trading, NFT, farming, start pools, and launchpad. So you can just go to start pools. Yan. And you will be led to this site. And you just have to unlock wallet. Connect natin yung ating wallet. MetaMask. Okay, next, connect. All right, so we are now connected to our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so here you can stake your BSCS, no, for you to get a Dpet token as a reward. As of now, hindi pa launch yung kanilang staking program, no, BSCS and Dpet and vice versa. Ayan, ila-launch nila itong program na ito on July 26 pa. So we are still at July 23, so we still have 3 days more to go. So ngayon, you can start buying your BSCS if you want to. But again, invest at your own risk. Ayan, so that's it guys. Just wait no for this program to be launched on July 26. So that's it about my Defi pet. Just a very short video, just a very short update. So if you are new to my channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!